my channel. Do we have an exciting video for you today, right, Crystal?
I'm really excited.
Oh my God, so here's what we have coming for you. Louis Vuitton bag. I got a brand new bag. It's a cupcake of a bag. You're gonna die. And then Crystal,
we have some Chanel goodies.
We have Chanel giveaway for you at the end in celebration of the holidays. And we have a huge announcement, which is a dream come true for us.
We have our own business.
Woohoo! We are opening our own business, our own jewelry business, mommy and daughter. And I want to share it with you. It's called Azulique Jewelry. We are actually wearing our beautiful pieces. This has been such a dream come true for me. It was one dream that I had not realized, which was to own my own business. I feel like I have so much to contribute. I have worked in corporate America all of my career, and I wanted to have something of my own. And if you have been a subscriber for a while, you know that I talked about really being able to own my own business and make my income outside of the YouTube and the collaborations, because it is really hard to be a fashion blogger and collaborate with companies and stay 100% authentic, because you cannot truly speak your mind because you depend on these companies for income. So my dream was to create my own business, have my own income, to be able to buy fabulous things to show to you, because this way I can continue to be honest and true to you, and I hope you will support us on this journey, right, Crystal?
This has been a passion of mine as well. It's something that I really look forward to and working on, and I try to incorporate a lot into the creative process, and I'm just really happy to share this experience with my mom.
First of all your jewelry is gonna come packed in this box. We created this box from scratch, and of course our jewelry is stylish as hell, okay? Look at us. My company is jewelry from Brazil. It's fashion jewelry. I also have some jewelry that is silver with 18 karat gold, which then is real jewelry, but we have fashion jewelry. It is all from Brazil, most of it made by small little artisans in Brazil that do the design, that do the gold bath for us. It's such a beautiful process full of love from beginning to end. First piece I want to show you is the necklace that we are both wearing. This is what we call the Azulique necklace. This was designed by a Brazilian astrologer. We wanted our flagship necklace to have a very special meaning. So this is made of silver with an 18 karat gold bath. 18 karat gold is more pure than what you see in most places in the US. Most places, you know, the bath is 10 karat gold, 14 karat gold. We wanted to do an elevated collection. So the meaning of this pendant, this was created to be an amulet to really help you achieve your destiny, what is meant to be for you. In astrology, the sun that you see as the main piece of the pendant really casts light, so it reveals things. So the sun brings out your true self, your inner power, and then you will see there is a little moon that is encrusted in the sun with a little crystal in it, and the role of the moon is to heighten your perception according to astrology, brings out your instincts. So the idea is that the sun bringing out the best in you, what you are meant to do, and the moon helping you guide in all of your decisions to take you to where you are meant to be. And then this crown around the pendant is supposed to be protection against negative energy. This is like a little good luck charm to really bring out the best in you, help you make amazing decisions, be surrounded by the right people, let go of the things that are not meant to be for you, and help you get to where you want to be.
Manifestation, people.
Yes, this is everything here, full of love and positivity for you. This is our main pendant of our collection, exclusive. You will only find here.
And then we also have it in silver as well, if you guys prefer that. You guys have the option, which I think is really nice. Also too, we are a small business, we're just starting up, so the quantities of these items are very limited.
Most of the items here, guys, will have 1 or 2 pieces. It's really limited. We wanted our collection to be highly curated, so everything is very little of each, just letting you guys know. And then the second piece I want to show you, this gorgeous chain that we are wearing.
I'm wearing right now, layered with the Azulique pendant.
We are actually wearing the same thing. It's the chain with the Azulique pendant. The name of the game right now is layering. I mean, the more the better. I mean, look at Crystal with the earrings.
Yeah.
You want to put all of your ear piercings and all of your chains. That's the vibe, you guys. So this is the Calvary necklace because this is a very strong, powerful necklace, very bold. I wanted a very bold chain to wear with blazers. I feel like nowadays when you put a look together and your neck is empty and you don't have a bold chain, it's almost like you're missing something.
Empty.
Yes, you have to have a bold chain. I had been wearing as my bold chain my strap for my Louis Vuitton Cousin bag. But here's the dealio on this. This is so
really heavy.
heavy. This was not made for a necklace. So I wanted to develop a custom chain that is really bold, but it's really light and comfortable. So this is extremely light. The differentiator for us is that this is a gold bath made by hand by artisans in Brazil of 18 karat gold. So you are really getting a very high quality finish. Look at this detail right here with the closure. You can put pendants on this closure, or you can wear it just like this, or you can turn it around and wear it like a regular chain.
Next up, we have some earrings for you guys, which is the pair that I'm wearing right now, which I really love. These are called the Girls Night earrings.
Girls Night, baby!
Yeah, because they're fun, they're flirty. I think you can really dress them up or dress them down. They're just a nice long chain earring.
And then this is an earring that you can wear at night and make it really sophisticated, right, with a beautiful girls night dress. Or you can wear it during the day, kind of like
this.
Yeah, how Crystal has, with beautiful sweater. I feel like it adds a touch of sophistication to your look. Next, we have the Love Spell necklace. This is made with a Brazilian stone. This is a raw rose quartz.
The love crystal. Great for love, for peace, and also compassion. Who doesn't need more love?
I feel like it is so beautiful and so stylish, but a touch of romance with a pink stone. We also have a similar one, a chain with a black natural stone, which is a black onyx. And this chain is so gorgeous, you guys. You can wear it with the stone, or you can remove the stone and layer it with many other necklaces. And that's what we want to do with the collection. We want it all to be really versatile, so you can build on your collection. You can use it in different ways. Next, we have these gorgeous bracelets. They also have natural Brazilian stones.
So the different stones we have here are rose quartz, opal, and amethyst.
It's so beautiful for you to stack, wear with your different chain bracelets.
Next up, we have our flower child earrings, which are definitely a throwback to the 70s, where we have a long chain with some clear crystals on it and this flower.
And on this one, you can actually remove the little dangly part and you can wear just a little hoop if you would like, or you can use it with the danglies. You can layer them on the same ear and put one with the hoop and the other one with the danglies. This right here is one of my favorites of the entire collection. It's called the Boujee Babe necklace, and you can see why. What a gorgeous chain, a little bit more streamlined, not very thick, so if you don't like the super bold chains, this is a good compromise in the middle. And then the beautiful detail right here with crystals, and then you have a little fun feature right here with the little pave pieces that move around, the little rings. So cute. This is the closure mechanism. You can show this off as well, or you can wear it like this. This is one of my top 3 favorites of the whole collection. Next, we have the rainbow jelly necklace. It has this beautiful rainbow here with the heart and crystal detail. Again, a beautiful bold chain. It's hard. Obviously, we love everything because we chose everything. This is such a fun piece. If you like a touch of fun with the rainbow, a touch of color, you can leave just the heart if you want something a little bit more neutral, or you can also remove this heart little piece and make this just a plain chain for you to wear. And then another one of our favorites, check this out, with the Greek eye, the evil eye, same style chain, and then you have the heart closure. Again, you can remove the evil eye piece and just leave the heart. You can also wear it like this.
Next up, we have another fun piece in our collection, which is the Sweet Trip necklace, and as you can see, It has a cute little mushroom. This one is pink and it has crystals within it.
And we also have it in a different color, which is this green. It looks a little bit like the Tiffany green.
Yeah,
maybe
kind of, yeah.
Right? Maybe a little bit greener than the Tiffany green. This is such a whimsical piece. We wanted to have staple pieces, you know, like the thick chains, but we also wanted to have super fun, whimsical pieces because that's what fashion jewelry is all about. Typically, you're not going to invest a fortune in real jewelry to buy pieces that are maybe too fun or potentially trendier. So I think this is the place for fashion jewelry, for you to find those pieces that you absolutely love, that you wouldn't be able to find or even afford if they were real jewelry in gold and diamonds. Every time we wear them, people will ask, right, Crystal?
I feel like the number 2 pieces for me is definitely this mushroom one and then also the thick chain as well. I get a lot of questions and comments about those. I think it's such a perfect link too, and then now you guys can buy yourself. You guys don't have to ask anymore.
I know. This is just a little sneak peek of our pieces. We have more beautiful pieces on the website. The link is in the description box below. We are the ones that are going to be packing every single item for you, putting them on the mail. We hope you love the pieces enough to support us in our dream. We think they're so beautiful, so stylish.
And we love the pieces and we hope that you guys love it just as much as we do.
With that, we want to do a giveaway to kind of celebrate the holiday season, celebrate the starting of our business, which is
just an empty box.
So we are doing a Chanel giveaway, and here is what we are giving away. The super coveted, impossible to get Chanel holiday set. Okay, I cannot even believe I scored this. The Chanel tweed bag, and then inside,
I took the lip glosses.
inside you will find 3 Chanel lip glosses. So beautiful. Who wouldn't love a Chanel holiday set for the holidays? Crystal was hoping this was for her.
Sadly, it's not, but it's okay. I support whoever wins this.
Yeah, exactly. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is to comment below which one of the jewelry pieces that we just showed you for our new business that was your favorite, and you are automatically in the giveaway. I will be announcing the giveaway winner right here on YouTube, and I will make sure to respond to your comment to let you know that you were the giveaway winner. This is good for everywhere around the planet. All right, guys, so I'm gonna let Crystal go so I can do my Louis Vuitton unboxing. Crystal is doing finals right now in school, and she's like, she has to study. She's not very happy about that. Thank you for all your help.
Make the business successful so I can quit school.
That's what she keeps saying. She's like, Mom, I hope our business does well so I don't have to do what I'm graduating for, which is computer science.
Just keep me in your thoughts and prayers when you purchase an item, okay?
She wants to be a business owner and not do computer programming, which I'm cool about quitting my job too and just handling the business. All right, time for my Louis Vuitton unboxing. This was actually a surprise gift from my husband. I could not believe. My husband is not the most romantic guy around the block, okay? For him to do romantic gestures or surprises, it's like a once-in-a-lifetime event. So he went to New York and came back from his New York trip with this for me, which I couldn't believe. Check this out. Oh my God! This is my new little Louis Vuitton bag. Oh my God, is this a cutie or what? Let me show you the strap that comes with. So it comes with this sporty strap and has this little coin purse, which I am absolutely in love with. Check this out. Let me put it on the bag for you to see. Look at this baby. This is a cupcake. This color is so amazing. I am not going for logo bags as much, especially in canvas. I'm sticking with leather, but when it's something special like this in such a beautiful color, I mean, I can't pass it. I had told my husband that I had loved this collection, and I cannot believe that he remembered and he went and he bought the exact bag that I would have bought for myself. Look at this flipping color. The gold details right here. Look at how cute the zipper, and look at the interior. This is the interior of the bag. It actually has a little pocket right here. I am very much into small bags still. I know people are talking about big bags making a comeback, but I love small bags. They're amazing for travel, easy to pack in your suitcase, and this one is so versatile. These are the types of bags that I'm going for because I can transition this bag from day to night. I can wear super sporty with this little coin purse. Actually, let me show it to you, right? This is the coin purse. Look at the inside of it. So cute. You can remove the strap and make this bag super chic and just carry it like this. Look at this. Super girly, right? How cute is this? Now, look at the bag, you know, the sporty version of the bag with the little coin purse right here. How cute for like during the day with jeans. Oh my gosh. Now, I have to show you a couple of other tricks for this bag. If I want this bag to look even more nice, even fancier, I can put my Kusan chain on this bag. Look at this. It looks so beautiful, so sophisticated with a night dress for dinner, partying on the town. I want flexible bags. I want bags that I can take on a trip and wear it at night with a fancy dress, wear it during the day to go shopping, bags that I can switch straps, make it look fancy, make it look sporty. I am stirring away from bags that are very specific occasions. One more thing, I saw this on Instagram. This person purchased a bunch of these super fun acrylic chains. They have it in pink, they have it iridescent, transparent, so many different variations, and I had to buy one for this bag. Look at how cute this looks. Oh my gosh. This is more of a casual, fun vibe. But again, with a cute dress, with a cute day look. How fun is it for you to be able to customize your bag and buy different little parts for it and make it all your own? If you go to Etsy, there are so many different options of chains. You just search for bag chain and you will get different versions in different colors. The sky's the limit. They have a million variations. In terms of price, I think this bag was like $3,000, $3,200, $3,500. If you are considering this style, because this was a limited edition collection, I am sure it's very hard to find now, but they have this exact style in different leathers, different prints. I absolutely recommend. This is a small bag that fits so much. My phone fits in there easily. Tons of space left. If you are considering this bag style, I say absolutely go for it. I am in love and I hope you love it as much as I do. Thank you so much for being with me for this journey. This video is such a special video to me. When I think about my life and everything that I have gone through since I came here from Brazil as an immigrant, poor as heck, no education, I made so many things happen. You know, I look back, sometimes I don't even believe how I got through some of the things that I have gone through in my life, but all of them brought me to where I am today. And I am just so proud of myself, so proud of my daughter to really take this leap of faith and just create something of our own. I want to be the owner of my destiny. I want to work for myself. I feel like I have so much to contribute. I can run my business. I can do an amazing job, make sure my customers are happy. And this is all I could ever ask for. So thank you for supporting me. I would not be here today without your support, without you watching my videos, trusting my reviews, trusting my opinion. And I just, you know, it's just a dream come true. I don't know what else to say. So I hope you love Azulique. I hope you love the pieces, and I will continue to bring you amazing content and being here giving you honest opinions because I value each and every one of you so much. And I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.